And here's a windshield. And here's Drew. And here's a car without a windshield. And there goes a white truck. Anywho, so what we got going on today is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this windshield that's popped out, we're gonna pop it in this car here. So this is already prepped somewhat. We took a razor blade, took the old glue off, hit it with some good old 2X Ultra Cover flat black primer, and we're gonna go ahead and attempt to put this windshield in. Full disclaimer, we're just gonna kind of wing it. We already managed to get it out, so I think putting it back in might be somewhat as difficult, but I don't really know what I'm doing, and that's okay. Make it so much. All right, well, it's almost the end of the day. The window is in. It is looking good. We're gonna leave it just like that. The back window is looking good as well. We're pretty excited about that. We got Mark over, but basically we have a core support from an S13, one of the parts cars, and we're going to be going ahead and putting that on this beautiful S14. Obviously, we got the S13 hood Mark bought. We got the S14.3 conversion fenders and an S13 KB front bumper. Hood hinges. He's going to need to drill holes out and put some, either he needs to drill and tap a spot, or he's thinking about possibly doing a drill and rip nut for the hood hinges. But this is part one of S13.4 conversion. Alright guys, so Mark is about to snap it off.
There we go.
Alright, who wants S14 crap?
Because I've reached the point of no return.
S14 for sale, $2,000.
Yep, you do the front end.
Alright, Mark, so enlighten us on what's going on here.
So I cut off a bunch of shit. Probably ruined my fucking car.
I mean, it doesn't look good.
Yet. There's definitely,
but it doesn't look bad either.
Definitely some massaging to do.
So, the core support's kind of, we cut it up and taped it on just to mock up everything, but, I mean, it looks like a 180SX front end to me. Just a matter of fact of drilling a few more holes, welding a few spots, cleaning up some things, and then it'll be ready to go.
I think we're halfway to Olympia. This is a trip.
Is it freaking you out?
It's crazy, it's actually happening.
It's happening, guys! But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good, so I promise you all that we'll do a terrible job of documenting it, so if you're trying to figure it out, you won't be able to, so. But if you subscribe, I might be able to send you some personal messages.